Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can change background in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to add photo here and just going to cut out, select auto cut out or remove the background. So just going to basic and also select canvas. So you can select color or style. For instance, I'm going to select color and just select this one for the color background. Go. You can also change for style background. Um, Waiting for the index. Go. So it's super simple, basic. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.